What's up, everybody? Derek G here. Really quick, I am no salesman, but I'm gonna show you all the stuff I have lingering around my room here that I have for sale. Okay, this is a big huge shower curtain. You can find it on my artist websites, Fine Art America, pixels.com. That's where this comes from. Beautiful print quality as always from them. They're a little bit pricey, but their products are very high quality. Yeah, high quality products, so you won't be let down from Fine Art America. These shirts here are from Cafe Press. Regular basic plain white shirts. They're like 15 bucks or whatever. I put three new designs, 3 new versions of this Earthling seal on the Redbubble site. It'd be much nicer. Redbubble site t-shirts look like this. This is a Redbubble t-shirt. Very nice. They're not all over. This one's got a white back. You can see white back, white sleeves. It's just a front panel print. Again, beautiful quality and very, very soft. Very soft fabric. Cotton in the back, polyester on the front. Cotton sleeves. Here's a black one. You can get them in black and white like this. This is called the graphic tee. Hundreds of designs, over 400 designs on my Redbubble site. They have the scarves. This is a scarf right here. Beautiful quality, lightweight. You can see it's kind of transparent. And yeah, print quality is awesome. These are a few older shirts from a different website that no longer exists, but I put these designs up on Redbubble. So you can get these designs on these quality t-shirts over here, these ones. Yeah. So it'll be, you won't get the sleeves. You won't get these sleeves and the backs. Yeah. What else do I have? Here's another scarf. The scarves are really nice, man. Very, very nice. You can use them for all kinds of things. Like I got one hanging in the window here, see? Yeah, you could use it for mood lighting. The women can use them for all kind. You could take this and wrap this around your waist and wear it as a skirt. You know, what else do I have in here? I have this stuff here. This stuff here is made from China. The shoes come from Arts Ad, custom canvas shoes. They're actually really nice for the price that they charge to have these made. It's a quality shoe, man. I'm impressed with the craftsmanship, you know. And this design here matches the design I have on this French terry cloth sweatshirt. Again, very high quality. This is expensive. Comes from Print All Over Me, or what they call POM, P-O-A-M, P-A-O-M. Yeah, and you can see it's all custom. It's all custom done here. It's a very nice sweatshirt. Overall, I can't complain for the sweatshirt, but they are pricey. They're like, yeah, I think they're like 80 or 90 bucks. But for the quality, you know, and it's custom. I got this matching set. So what else do I have here? I have metal prints. That's right, metal prints from Fine Art America. These are 20 by 20s, and again, very, very nice to come with all the hardware on the back to hang it. It's all set and good to go, you know. Yeah, awesome quality prints. Like right now, you're seeing them through the plastic, so you know. And I mean, look at it through the plastic. It's just beautiful. They do beautiful work at Fine Art America. It's a bit pricey, but for what you get, I guess, you know, you really can't complain. Pay a little extra and you get great quality. What else we got? We got bumper stickers, right? That's a bumper sticker inside a CD case thing that I use for my tank drum. And it sits on this canvas bag, which you can get at Redbubble and Fine Art America. It's the same bag, it's a canvas bag. You know, take your pick. Put this print on the bag, or put this. See, this bumper sticker matches this set over here. Yeah, it's the same design I used. I got this bumper sticker up here, which is the scarf I have wrapped around my head right now. See there, look. See? So you can wear it this way too. But yeah, that's that design. So anyway, enough of this. All kinds of stuff online. It's all high quality and, you know, moderately priced too. These t-shirts are cheap and the scarves are cheap. Anything from Redbubble. Redbubble is the price saver website, so definitely check my Redbubble, man. Tons of stuff there. Anyway, I'll catch y'all later. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, peace, love, and gratitude, and namaste to all of you.